I already cut this one, this one, this one. I have 2 to go. As you can see, these nubs do not have any threads. So it doesn't hurt anything to cut those off. You're not losing lug threads. I mentioned these spacers. I said 22 millimeters in the last video, but these are 20 millimeters. 20. Roughly 7/8 inches thick. Also, another thing that you must do is clean the hub. What I did was use my drill with a wire brush. Just put that there and then, take all the loose scale off. And what you can't get, use a scuff pad to get between here where the disc will not fit on the wire brush. just make it nice and clean so you have a smoothest surface to sit up against as you can get. And on these wheels, you can see it's got the same pocket here, which is where this is going to ride. So that's why it's absolutely necessary to cut these off. Now what I use to cut them off with is a cutoff disc on a grinder. Cuts through it like butter. I would show you, but it's going to be difficult to do with a camera. But basically, I put the stud down, put it right there at the base of the nub, at the top of the threads, and then just go to town, cut it off, and then rotate your disc. And now when putting your spacer on, in this case, I'm torquing it to about 135 pounds. When you go to tighten this, the wheel is going to want to spin. So a neat little trick that you can do is take a screwdriver, insert it in here, but on this side you have to do it on the bottom. You do want to be careful though not to crimp or damage your crossover hydraulic brake line. So another way you can do it is in here. And what that'll do is just lock the rotor, keep it from spinning so you can torque it down to factory specs. But anyway, time for me to get back to work.